Okay, here we are, Charlestown Classics, the 1950 F100 454 Chevy. I'll get you a running video of it in a second. We'll open up the hood so you can see it. Super clean truck. Underneath's beautiful. Frame is gorgeous. I mean, the whole truck is just really done well. It's a 454 big block Chevy, mild build, Mustang 2 front end with disc brakes up front. Complete car here. You got nice wood bed there, everything new there. Interior's beautiful on this thing, even the top. I mean, it's just a complete truck. You do got power windows on it. Brand new gauges. And here's the one spot that I was saying. That's really the only thing up with the body on this thing.